Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of imprison. Put or keep in prison or a place like a prison. For example, he was imprisoned for 6 months for contempt of court. American pronunciation. Imprison. Imprison. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Imprison. Say. Imprison. Imprison means put or keep in prison or place like prison. Imprison. Imprison. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Later, he was also falsely imprisoned for treason. Now, repeat after me. Later, he was also falsely imprisoned for treason. The second practice. He and his 3 co-defendants had been wrongly imprisoned for 9 years. Now, repeat after me. He and his 3 co-defendants had been wrongly imprisoned for 9 years.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.